Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Wholesale Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to I'm going to show you guys the secret place to buy cheap goods on WeChat. Okay, well, quite a lot of people don't know that they can actually buy goods at a very cheaper rate from WeChat without going through some other process. All you have to do is to make sure that you have a functional WeChat and you activate your WeChat Pay wallet. With that, you'll be able to have access to those Chinese apps that you can use to buy a cheap product from China through WeChat. Okay. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. Lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my paid class on procurement and shipping from China and or some other country, you can feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video if you would like to join the paid class. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier or you want me to procure your links on 1688 Sahoba or Pinduoduo, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. So let's talk more about importation business if you have interest. Okay, so like I said earlier, guys, I'm going to show you the cheapest way by which you can buy goods from WeChat. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your WeChat. Here is my WeChat right here. I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so when you get to your WeChat, so the next thing you have to do is to go to this me right here. Go to this me. All right, from there you have to locate services. Click on services right here. Then from there you'll be able to present you to take to this particular page here. All you have to do next is to scroll down and you get to this point. Okay, now from this particular here you can see we have shopping and entertainment. So under this section, this is where you can purchase goods at a very cheap price, both new goods or used goods. Okay, let me show you one app you can use to buy a cheap new goods. So one of them is this one right here, buy together. Okay, if I click on this buy together now, you're going to see a lot of goods from the app. So you can see the app is preparing to load right from my WeChat. All right, guys, so you can see the app has fully loaded. Let me just give you a brief overview of this app. You can scroll down and see thousands of new products at a very cheap price. Okay, there is no particular items you cannot buy on this app. It depends on your choice. Okay, you can buy as many as possible. You can buy any type of product right from this particular app. Okay, you can scroll down and continue to scroll down. Let me just give you a brief overview as a matter of this app. Here, let me start from the bottom here. This is the home. And then here, this is where you see product pictures or you see what is trending on the app. Here is just for listing. Then here, this is where you check your inbox and see some of the some of the customer, some of the supplier you have chatted with in the past. So if I click on it now, you're going to see some of the supplier I have talked with in this app. Then finally at the bottom right here is your profile. So if I click on here, it's going to take me to my profile straight up. So you will be able to see some of the products I have buy through this particular app right here. You'll be able to see your my profile name, the products that is already on transit. So sorry for this this message right here. So you can easily go back home, back to your profile, go back home, and here you see some of the messages you have chatted with the supplier. You can see these are just 3 supplier. They are my goods is on the transit. And then lastly, as far as this app is concerned, you can as well type search right here at the top right here. You can type search. At the top here also you can picture search. You can do anything as far as this app is concerned. If I click on here now, you will be able to see how to type search. Okay, still loading. So you can type your keyword here. You can type shoes and type shoes, then search. So you're going to see a variety result of shoes right from this app right here. You can search from the brand right here. You can see there are thousands of male and female shoes that will pop up from this particular app right here. So this app here is basically for new products at a very cheap price. Buy from China using your WeChat account. So let's quickly go back to WeChat and see another app we can make use of. So I'm back to the WeChat. Okay, now at this particular shopping and entertainment, there are a lot of things. Like I said earlier, I will just explain some of the points to you guys. Another one right here is used goods. What do I mean by used goods? It simply means that whatever you buy from this particular app here is not a brand new product. Okay, it has been used by the seller in the past. So if you are interested to buy a used item, this one here is good for you. And also there is another brand more under this brand more, where this is where you get brand products like Adidas, Puma, Nike, Gucci, etc. That's where you get it. And more so, if you are in China and you are going out for an event, this is where you buy ticket. There are thousands. You can see this section here is shopping and entertainment, which simply means that it's not limited to shopping alone. The local attraction here also gives you opportunity to buy used item from China. So if I come down right here and click on this point here, you will see thousands of products that are very sorry for the interruption. So if I click on used goods here, you will see a lot of goods that have already been listed for sale on this app. But whatever you buy from this app, 80% of products on this app is a used item at a very cheap price. You can buy from electronics, your wares, furnitures, etc. There are tons of things you can buy from this app also. Everything is from your WeChat wallet. And one good thing about this app is that you can pay with your Alipay or with your Alipay Topaz. So you can see the app right here also. You can do a lot of things as far as this app is concerned. You can type search, and this is home, and this is your profile, and this is the messages with your supplier. You can scroll down and see more products as far as this app is concerned. Everything right from your WeChat account to the app. So this is how things are going. This is how you buy a very cheap item from your WeChat account. without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit on subscribe, click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you'll get notified and you'll watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to teach you in a personal paid class on how you can be a procurement and shipping agent, you can contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video if you have interest. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688, Tahoba or Pinduoduo or Fish or Shahun or any Chinese e-commerce platform, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.